is steady. Rain arrives in an orderly manner. Rain can pace itself because rain has stamina. It doesn't deposit itself all at once because rain knows how to cue. So tell me, why don't you? Rain knows when to surge and when to make a fuss, when to deluge like a panicked mob. Tell me, why do I have to teach you? Rain can be rude, rain jumps queues, me. Rain drops in a motorway pile. But sometimes as I long to be the steel barrier you crashed into. So, okay.
Enjoyable weather, man.
It is.
Get on video.
I am there. Nice guys. Rain can be diverted. Rain can be late. Rain delays. You know the rain. Even the rain knows it must wait sometimes. Even the ocean knows it cannot take a resident to the whole of the sky. So tell me, why do I have to teach you?